If AI keeps giving you random or bad results, it's not the tool. It's how you're asking. Beginners make the same 4 mistakes. I'm going to show you some real-world examples so that you don't make these mistakes. I'll show you each one with a real example so you can fix them immediately. First mistake being too vague. If you ask, create a workout plan, you'll get something generic. Instead, be specific. Create a 3-day beginner workout plan for someone trying to lose weight at home with no equipment. Now the output is actually useful.
Now it knows exactly who it's for and what outcome you want.
Second mistake, no audience or goal. If you say, write a pasta recipe, AI doesn't know who it's for. Instead, write a simple pasta recipe for beginners who have never cooked before, using 5 ingredients or less. That context changes everything.
Instead of having a long, complicated recipe, you now have an easy-to-follow meal tailored for a beginner.
Third mistake, asking for too much at once. If you say, write a YouTube script, Instagram caption, and blog post about morning routines, you'll get a mess. Instead, focus. Write a short YouTube video outline about a morning routine for productivity.
When you ask for everything at once, quality drops. Focus improves it.
One step at a time gives you better results. Fourth mistake, no constraints.
If you say, write a professional email, you will get something very basic.
Instead, write a 3-sentence professional email asking for a meeting, confident but not salesy.
Look at that. Constraints force the email to be clear and concise. All you have to do is replace your information, and this is ready to send.
All of this comes back to clarity, context, and conciseness. Better prompts aren't complicated, they're structured. In the next video, I'll give you copy and paste prompts that you can use for real work. I'll see you in the next video.